If you ever redesigned the same layout 15 times just to fit slightly different content, you're doing it the hard way. Today, we'll fix that with advanced master pages. Those are layouts that adapt you, not the other way around. It's time to work like a system designer, not a layout babysitter. Regular master pages are great for consistency until your project grows. Suddenly, you need one version with sidebar, another with a full bleed image, and a third with an ad box. That's when the statistic masters turn into a maintenance nightmare. Enter advanced masters. They let you create flexible, layered systems, so one change and it updates across multiple layouts. Here's the first power move. Nested master pages. You can apply one master on top of another. Here I've done examples for this tutorial. I have one master with grid page, page number and footer. Here's grid, page number, footer. Another one is with sidebar if your design needs it. And the third one is top banner here and the picture. Here are the picture frame. You can assign one master to another. So let's say here is sidebar master, but we wanted to take the grid, page number and footer from master A. So what you do is right click on the master and here apply masters, click on it, and here where is apply masters, click on this little arrow and choose which master you want it to take style. So we wanted grid, page number and footer. Click on it and click OK. Now if you go to sidebar, it have changed a little, but the sidebar is in the right place. Plus now it has a page number and footer. Let's say you've got multiple content types, article pages, ads, photo spreads. You can switch between them instantly by reapplying different masters. This is perfect for magazines, catalogs and annual reports with repeating but varied page structure. Layout replaces the layout grid and recurring elements while keeping your content intact. And pro tip, name your masters clearly, like I have done here. This master is for grid and page numbers and footer. This is for sidebar, and this is top banner and picture. This makes it easier to find it and apply it to your page. To apply master page to a page, just click on the page, and here you have few options. Option 1, just click on the masters you want to add and drag it to the page. Or if you have facing pages, you can do it twice, one for left side and one for right side. Option 2, click on the page you want to add your master page, then right click and apply master. Apply master. Here it is. Click on it. This window pops open, and from here you can search what master you want. Let's say we want to put this one, and here you can change do you want this top banner with picture to all pages, to odd pages, even pages, or specific page. Right now we want it for specific page, and then click OK. And if you scroll up, you see it changed the master for this page. And now here's a common fear. If I edit something on a page that uses a master, will it break it? Not necessary. A layout lets you detach selectively. And this was the question I got asked, how to detach a page from a master page. So what you can do is delete the master page from page so that all your elements stay on the page. But if you want it, you can do it, right click it and clear master. And now the master page items are gone. If you need it, here it is. So let's go here. Let's select this page, right click and clear master, and it's gone. But what you can do is to move elements around in master page, so the master page stays the same but you change only how it looks on that specific page. So let's put this master page here. So you can't select them because they are locked. But let's say there's 4 picture, but now maybe you want 2 picture horizontally, or one horizontally and 2 vertically. So how to do this? It's a little bit annoying, but doable. All you have to do is search this masters from the layer page. You see layers, and what layout does is it puts master layers here. So we want to change left master. Click on it, right click on it, and edit detach. Click on that, and now you can move your elements around however you want, and it doesn't change your master page. Let's say we want to vertical pictures here. Let's delete this one, drag it bigger, and if you're done, just click finish. But you have option to change your master page right on the pages too. So one more trick. You can actually take this page on the master and just drag it on the page on your view, and it changes it. So if you want to make changes on your page, so those changes appear on your master page here, go to your page, then choose your master layer, right click and edit linked. Now what happens is when you delete or do whatever kind of change you want to do, let's do this, let's do like that, maybe here I can change it like this. And now if you actually, you don't even have to click finish, you can see here it already changed your master page. So let's go over it. When you want to make changes on your master page, then right click and edit linked. Everything you edit after clicking that, those changes go to your master page. But if you want to change or edit the page without changing the master page, click edit detach. It's right click on the layer and edit detach, edit linked. Or you can click on the layer, and up left corner you can see it here, where is your Affinity logo, and edit detached linked content block. So if you click here, you can do the same thing. So I hope this answered the question I got. If not, let me know on the comments, and maybe I can explain it a little bit better. Now let's create a smart magazine workflow. So first, click on this add master page here, this icon, click on it. Let's do first one, read, header, and let's do footer too, and okay. Let's click this again, and the second one is do it article layout. Okay, one more. Let's do full image, and it's gonna be magazine, so probably you want to sell ads for that, so let's do ad. Okay, now let's go to the first grid, header, footer. Then how to get grids is click on view, then guides, click on it. This window pops open, and let's do 2 columns, and let's do 4 rows, and let's make cutter 5 mm, and just click close, and it saves it. Now let's make a header. Let's say my magazine, very original name, copyrighted by me. Let's give it beauty lines sticker and 2. And if you have snapping on, this little icon, if you turn it on, it's very comfortable, like it snaps on the grid. Maybe it's not maybe you can't see it on YouTube, but if you're gonna use it, you can feel it, like it snaps on the grid. So be sure to turn this one on. And now you probably want to put the page numbers here. What you have to do first is take the text frame and just drag your page number area, then go to text. It's up here in your menu. Click on it, then insert fields, page numbers. Let's leave it 12 right now, and you don't have to do it again. Just copy it with Option or Alt and change the align to right. Now let's before we move on, let's do a little guide and let's make it 4 column. Now let's take the article layout, and here we just gonna put article layout grid guide, and let's do that one too, and close. Take the text tool and drag the text box. Let's fill it with dummy text. So go to, if you want to use dummy text, go to text, insert, and filler text, and change this align to left, and let's put to all columns. And like I did earlier, here is this little triangle. You can click on it, and then you can drag out everything that is hidden somewhere. If you use dummy text, it doesn't show that you have anything hidden there. But if you use real text and this little triangle here is red, and you see eye icon here, then you know that something is behind here somewhere. So this one. Now the next one is full bleed image. Take the image tool here and just drag it up. Full bleed image. Let's do it on the both pages. And last but not least, most important, the moneymaker. So go to View, Guides, and let's think a little bit. If it's a full page ad, then you're all covered. But what else we can sell? We can sell half page horizontally, and we can sell half page. We can sell a half page vertically. Let's keep this cutter consistent with everything else, so it's gonna be 5. And actually, we can milk it. So let's do rows. Yeah, let's do it 4 and 4. So now you can sell different ad space, and let's make those margins 0, because people want to as much ad space as possible. And let's click close. Now you have your ad. Now let's say our article layout takes style from grid, header, and footer. So articles will have this grid, header, and so let's right click on this master and apply master. Here choose grid, header, footer, and OK. And let's make this full bleed image to take style from master, first master 2. So again, right click, choose the right master, and OK. Now assign each master to the right page. So let's go to the pages and let's see. First one's gonna be simple, that one. Now the second one, what we want on the second? Let's do article. No, let's here when you drag it on the page, it's gonna be adding this master to both pages. But let's say you want it only on the left side, so just drag it on the left side page, or click on the page, double click it so it selects only one, right click, then apply master, and this one's gonna get add page, so choose that. add page, and OK. Now we made a mistake on the article layout. The cutter is too big. Let's fix that. Or set. Let's go back to page. And now maybe we want to make some changes here. Now, like we talked, search what master page you want to change. Click on it, then right click and edit detach. And let's say we don't want this this column here. We want to actually put the half page picture. Let's put the picture here. Oh yeah, and if you want to use free pictures from Pixabay or Pexels, you connect your account and you have them right here, so you don't have to go to the page. You can drag those pictures right to your page. And this was under window, layout, and stock. You see, now it disappeared, and now click on it, it appeared again. And let's make some changes. Oh, wrong button. Let's make some search something. Let's put it like now. This is behind. You can drag the picture frame smaller, or you can actually just delete it. What happened? Why it didn't delete? It's because it inherited the style from grid header footer. So again, go to the layers and search your grid header footer layer. Again, right click it, edit detach, and now you can delete it or change it however you like. It's a little bit layered and a little bit annoying to search those layers and do it like this, but right now this is the best option. And if you're done, just now it's hidden. Yeah. Okay, it's back. Just click finish, and like you can see, your master page looks still the same as it was before. You just change the master page on your main page. And if you want to use those masters on your next projects, all you have to do is go to File, then Export, and as template. Give it a name, save. And now if you want to use it on your next project, just click File, Open, and choose your tab and open, and you have your masters here. You've just moved from page designer to system architect. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, the smarter your structure, the freer your creativity.